I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Thinkorswim. First, you need to open a brokerage account with TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab, as Thinkorswim is their trading platform. Once your account is approved, fund it with an initial deposit, often a minimum of $50, to enable trading. Then, download and install the Thinkorswim software on your computer or mobile device. This setup ensures you have access to all the powerful tools and features for your investment journey. Funding your Thinkorswim account is straightforward. You can link your bank account for convenient electronic funds transfers, which is a popular method for most investors. For larger deposits, perhaps over $25,000, wire transfers offer a secure and efficient option. Remember that it typically takes 1 to 3 business days for your funds to fully clear and become available for trading, so plan your investments accordingly. Thinkorswim offers a wide array of investment options to suit various strategies. You can trade stocks, complex options, futures contracts, and even engage in forex trading. The platform provides advanced charting tools for in-depth technical analysis, helping you identify potential entry and exit points. Additionally, you'll have access to comprehensive research reports and real-time market data, empowering you to make informed investment decisions. Placing trades on Thinkorswim is intuitive. Navigate to the Trade tab, select your desired asset, and enter your order details, such as quantity and order type. After placing trades, you can effectively manage and monitor your portfolio's performance using the Monitor tab, which provides real-time updates on your holdings. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while you trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.